So, are you wondering what the processing times are for the month of July? If you are, stick around because I'm going to let you know. Because the Visa Bulletin for the month of July of 2024 was released, and I'm going to go over those numbers and dates with you right now. So, first of all, I want to let you know that I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I've been practicing law for over 20 years. And I've been specializing in immigration law for over a decade. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I help individuals and families from every state in the country. That's every little city and every little state in the country. And really any country on the planet, I help people, okay? So if you need help with immigration, doesn't matter where you are or where I am, I can still help you, okay? So stick around a little while so you can hear me tell you the numbers of what's going on with immigration, Visa Bulletin. The Visa Bulletin, what is the Visa Bulletin for? So first of all, the Visa Bulletin is family-based. I go over the family-based stuff. I don't go over the employment-based numbers. I do strictly family-based. So the Visa Bulletin, so for all those people that are looking to enter the United States and get a green card, you need to go through the process for the green card. So when you're overseas, there's wait times depending on the country you're in and depending on the relationship you have with your sponsor, your immigrant sponsor, which is your family member, okay? So that's what the Visa Bulletin is. It divides the entire world into different categories, and each family relationship that is permitted to sponsor is included in this Visa Bulletin, okay? So that's what the Visa Bulletin is. Let me explain to you the different categories, okay? So first, we've got unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. That's the first category. The second category is divided in half. So it's spouses and children, whether you're unmarried son or daughter of a legal permanent resident, okay? So they separate those into two, spouses and children, or unmarried sons and daughters over the age of 21, okay? The third category, married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. The last category are brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, okay? So those are the different family-based categories. Then what they do is they break it down by the different countries. There's 4 countries that they have a specific allotment of visas available every month. Okay, China, India, Mexico, and the Philippines. Everyone else is in a general catch-all category, okay? So the numbers are different depending on where you're from. If you're from those 4 countries, you have your designated pool of visas. Everyone else shares in the, basically the overall, they call all chargeability areas except for the 4 countries listed, okay? So let me go over it with you right now, okay? So the F1 category, which again is unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, okay? The general world category is better by 3 months. Not a whole lot, but it's better by 3 months. So October of 2015 is what they're processing right now, okay? So what that means is if you have a family petition that was filed in October of 2015, that means that they are finally processing your ability to move forward with your green card interview overseas, okay? So F2A, that's the spouses and children of legal permanent residents. Right now, there's no change from last month. If you, again, with any of this stuff, if you want to see what it was last month, look at my video from last month and I explain it to you there. So go ahead and check that out on my YouTube channel. F2B, unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents, okay? So it is improved by a month. So not a whole lot has happened, but it has improved by a month. The same is true with the F3 category, which is married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. Better by a month. Same is true for brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens. Better by 1 month from last month's Visa Bulletin. It's still August of 2007 is who they're processing. So still quite a bit of a wait for people that if you're just now filing for these things, it takes a long time. So that's why I tell clients and anyone who asks me, what's my number one advice with immigration? Apply when you can. Do not wait, do not delay, because time flies, and all of a sudden you're like, oh my God, that was 5 years ago. Why didn't I apply 5 years ago? Because I would at least be 5 years closer to my goal. So that's something that I'm always telling people to do. So apply when you can so your waiting period is a little bit more manageable. Okay, let's go to China. So people that are going through the process in China, the F1 category, unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens in China, it's improved by 3 months. So October 2015 is where they're at right now. F2A, spouses and children of permanent residents in China, is the same as it was last month. The unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents in China, it's improved by 1 month. Okay, so May of 2016 is who they're processing right now. So the F3 is married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens in China, is improved by 1 month, and it's April of 2010 is who they're processing right now. Brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, August of 2007 is who they're processing right now. It is improved by 1 month, okay? So let's go to India. In India, the F1 category is unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. It is improved by 3 months as well, okay? So that category is improved. October of 2015 is who they're processing currently. F2A, spouses and children of permanent residents, it's the same. No change from last month, which is November of 2021, okay? So F2B are unmarried sons and daughters of legal permanent residents, is improved by 1 month, and it's May of 2016 is who they're processing currently. F3, married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, April of 2010, it's an improvement by 1 month. Brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens in India, it's the same as it was last month, was the January of 2006, okay? Going to Mexico, F1, unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, is improved by a whopping 4 months, which is pretty good. So May of 2002 is who they're processing right now in that category in Mexico. F2A is the spouses and children of permanent residents. It's the same as it was last month, which is February of 2021. It's also the same for the F2B category, which are unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents. It's July of 2004. So better by 3 months is the F3 or married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens in Mexico. It's in March of 2000. So if you're in that category in Mexico, March of 2000 is an improvement by 3 months. F4, brothers and sisters in Mexico, it's the same. So it's February of 2001. They haven't had any improvement in that category. So Philippines, our friends in the Philippines, it's the same as it was last month for the F1, which is unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. March of 2012 is who they're processing right now. F2A, spouses and children of permanent residents, is also the same, which is November of 2021. F2B is the same as well. F2B, again, is unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents. It is October of 2011 is who they're processing right now in the Philippines in that category. F3 category in the Philippines is improved by 1 month for married sons and daughters, okay? So the final category in the Philippines is the brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens. It's improved by 2 months in the Philippines. So it's February of 2004. So there you have your new updated numbers for the July 2024 Visa Bulletin. If you like the information in these videos, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get notified of next month's video or many of the other dozens of videos that I put out every month, okay? So check us out. click on the link below to check out the website. If you have questions about any of this stuff, if you need help with any of this stuff, that's the most important thing. You need help, you click on the link so that I can provide you information, direct one-on-one information on how to move forward or to have me help you move forward. So check me out. Again, I'm here every month. I put out this video. If you have questions or comments, put in the comments section. If you have suggestions or things you want to see videos on, put that in there too. I would love to help you. As I always say, I would love to help you succeed. There's a lot coming down the line with this election season. There's things, announcements being made by the Biden administration for different people in the country that are citizen spouses, okay? There's a big thing coming that they're going to announce. Tomorrow is probably when they're going to announce it. But anyway, check it out. If you have questions, click on the link, and I'm here to help you.